Here at 5, the Miami Valley is dealing with a rise in flu and RSV cases.
Dayton Children's Hospital broke an emergency room record last week because of the number of patients with RSV. News reporter Riley Phillips joins us live in the studio, breaking down the trends and the symptoms to watch out for. Riley?
Yes, well, along with high RSV cases, Ohio is ranked as one of the highest states for flu activity in the country. I spoke with doctors about ways you can protect yourself as we get closer to the Thanksgiving holiday. The Miami Valley is once again seeing a surge in illness, with Montgomery County having the highest number of flu hospitalizations in the state.
We've seen an increase in influenza cases. We have seen RSV cases, including those in adults that end up in the hospital. And we are still seeing COVID cases on significant numbers. So I think the three of them are adding much more of the hardship to the respiratory illnesses this year than we have seen the last 2 years.
These numbers are worrying local doctors as people get ready to travel and meet their families for the Thanksgiving holiday. But it can be difficult to tell the difference in symptoms, with coughing and fatigue being present with each.
We are typically going to be seeing those muscle aches much more prevalent in things like flu and COVID than with RSV. RSV is an illness that is typically going to have the respiratory symptoms earlier than when we get the fever, as opposed to influenza, where you get that fever very early on in the presentation.
And it can also be difficult to know when to seek medical treatment. If your child's fever does not go down after 24 hours, or if you're feeling very lethargic or have trouble breathing, those could be signs to reach out to a doctor. As for what to do about Thanksgiving gatherings, doctors say get vaccinated and stay away from others if you're not feeling well.
The biggest thing is just to be cognizant of, are you sick? Who are you around? Are they at risk? Have you protected yourself as well as others to the best of your ability by becoming vaccinated?
And doctors say this could be the beginning of a long illness-filled winter, so make sure you're protecting yourself. And if you have any questions about symptoms or treatment, don't hesitate to call your medical provider. In the studio, Riley Phillips, 5 on 2.